Hello everybody. A very good morning to one and all. My name is Ankit Sharma and I welcome all of you in your favorite online education platform, the one and only Examper. My dear students, again this is I think our third class if I'm right. So my dear students, let me again introduce myself. My name is Ankit Sharma and I have 8+ years of teaching experience in both online and offline mediums. Okay, and I am a specialist of English medium and that too of a higher level examination. I have been a part of the offline and the leading offline organization in the country for almost 4.5 years. Then for the last 3.5 years, I am in the leading online education organization. And now I am at your favorite organization, that is the Example. So Rajan Kumar, a very good morning. I request everybody to please keep on sharing this session. Please keep on liking this session. So where was I? I was telling you that I have 8+ years of teaching experience, 4.5 years in offline in the best organization, 3.5 years in online in the best organization. All of the organizations were good and now even this is good, the Example, and I will be using this vast pool of experience to guide you, to mentor you and to ensure that you are able to crack the examination. My dear students, coding decoding. So the session is, the heading is part 1 of coding decoding. My dear students, let me be very clear. If we talk about coding decoding, okay, so we will be doing it in again 2 parts. Today in part 1, we would be doing the easy to moderate level question. Easy to moderate. So in today's class, I am making it very clear, the level of questions would be easy to moderate. But in the very next class, that is tomorrow, the level of questions would be moderate to difficult. All right, clear everyone? Now moving ahead. See, what is coding decoding? Coding decoding is nothing but observing the things what is going. It is nothing but observing the things that are going. For example, if it is given that apple is written as ZKKOV and then how is mango coded? Okay, 4 options will be given. So what you will see? You will see the logic over here that the opposite of A is Z, PK, opposite of P is K, owl, opposite of O is L, evening time, opposite of E is V. I taught you this under pair of opposites in the very first class. Now over here, if here opposites is going, here also man, opposite of M is N, A is opposite Z, man, opposite of M is N, GST, opposite of GST, owl, opposite of O is L. So this is the one. This is the one. All right, everybody. Now, if suppose someone changes the logic, and says that now apple is coded as BOQKF. Now apple is coded as BOQKF. Now how will mango be coded? All right, everyone. Now what is to be done? See, my dear students. Now the answer will be different because logic is different. Here A plus 1 is B. P 1 step backward is O. Again P 1 step forward is Q. L 1 step backward is K. E 1 step forward is F. So now again the things will be changing. M plus 1 is N. A minus 1 is Z. N plus 1 is O. G minus 1 is F. O plus 1 is P. So now answer will be somewhat like this. Plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1 and plus 1. So here what is to be done? A word will be given. It would be coded. You have to decode it. You have to crack the logic and you have to apply the same logic over here to get the answer. Same was done over here. The weightage of this topic in your examination is up to 3 questions. So up to 3 questions can be asked from this topic in the examination. All right, everybody? Fine? Clear? Yes or no? So it is wrong, Rajan. Here it is fine, NZMTL, but here something different will be coming. Okay, so now have you understood the basic? Rest we will be solving number of questions today. Number of questions will be solved today, and through that I will try and explain the entire concept to you in all the detail. Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Quickly tell me. Are you all ready? Yes or no? Okay, fine. Next thing, have a look at the thought of the day. And today's thought of the day is again very special. It says, the snake which cannot cast its skin has to die. As well, the minds which are prevented from changing their opinions, they cease to be mind. Okay, अगर एक स्नेक है, वो अपनी आउटर कवरिंग को जब तक चेंज नहीं करेगा फिर वो जिंदा कैसे रहेगा? वो प्रोसेस का पार्ट है. Similarly, a human being should observe the things, okay, should not create an idea about it in your mind on your own, observe the facts, see the real scenario, then compare it with the situation and then make your opinion. Do not be opinionated from before. Okay, so learn the things, observe the things, and then create an opinion about them based on reasonable facts. And with these words, we are about to start with the session. Are you all ready? Quickly tell me, are you all ready? Yes or no? Are you all ready? Yes or no? Quickly. Okay, fine. So, the very first question. Time starts. Hurry up. Very good. So see what is going on. What is going on? The words are written in reverse order. SUOMONOTUA. In this way the things are going. So here also, what is to be done? From T, NEMNREVOG. TNEMN, TNEMNREVOG. TNEMNREVOG. Okay? Okay? And therefore the right answer is option number B. So as simple as this. Okay? Very good. Akif Khan, welcome. Very good. Rajan Kumar. Next one. Time starts. Again very easy. Quickly everyone. 30 seconds is the upper limit for these kind of questions. Quickly. See, this is again a very simple one, my dear students. So what is being done? The same letters which are over here, they are rearranged in a particular manner over here. So now what is to be done? From R, B, U. So R, B, U. After that E, M, N. So E, M, N. Similarly, Y, K, O. So Y, K, O. And then E, C, and H. So ECH. So now the right answer is option number C. So rearrangement has been done. All right, everybody? Rearrangement. Now the next question. Time starts. Quickly, everyone. See, here also the same thing is happening, but slightly in a different manner. The same letters which are over here, the same letters are over here as well. So what is being done? M to P, so MP, then E to R, ER, then L to O, LO, and then B is as it is, B is as it is. Similarly, D to A, DA, okay, over here. N to B, NB, no, not over here, NB. O to S, OS, and then C over here, C over here. So therefore, the correct answer is option number D. Option number D, okay? Now, quickly next one, hurry up. Okay, now listen to me. What is happening over here? M minus 1 is L, O plus 1 is P. T minus 1 is S, H plus 1 is I. E minus 1 is D, R plus 1 is S. Okay, similarly, F minus 1 is E, A plus 1 is B. Okay, so answer must start with EB. So T minus 1 is S, H plus 1 is I. E minus 1 is D, and R plus 1 is S. So EBS IDS. EBS IDS. Okay, answer is option number B. Alright everyone, the correct answer is option number B. So this is how you will answer. Next one, quickly. Now this is very simple. In this question you have to find the real answer and then see what is it coded as. For example, here it is asking what will be the code for color of grass. What is color of grass is not being asked. What will be the code for color of grass? Color of grass is green. Color of grass is green, but green is coded as white. Green is coded as white. And therefore the right answer is white. Answer is option number A, white. And therefore A is the right answer. Clear everyone? Next. Quickly. Hurry up. Now this is a better one. This is a better one. Okay. Okay, now see what is happening over here. What is the letter that comes exactly between S and U? T. Exactly between Q and S? R. Exactly between T and V? U. Exactly between S and U? T. Exactly between G and I? H. So truth. Truth. Okay. So now if I talk about false word, so just before E is F, just after F is G. Just before A is Z, just after A is B. Just before L is K, and just after L is M. Okay. Now just before S is R, after S is T. Just before E is D, just after that is F. So E, G, Z, B, K. E, G, Z, BK, EGZ, BK, MRTDF, MRTDF. Answer is option number A, and that is the right one. Getting it, everybody? Yes or no? I hope all of you are getting this. Moving ahead. Quickly, next one. Quickly, everyone. Okay, the time is up. So now what is happening over here? If you try and observe the things, what is happening over here? S plus 1 is T. Okay. Then Y minus 1 is X. Okay. S plus 1 is T. T minus 1 is S. E plus 1 is F. M minus 1 is L. I hope all of you are getting this. Fine. So similarly, P plus 1 is Q. E minus 1 is D. N plus 1 is O. C minus 1 is B. I plus 1 is J. And L minus 1 is K. K, J, B, O, D, Q. K, J, B, O, D, Q. Answer is option number A. Answer is option number A. Okay, everyone? Fine. Now, the next one. Quickly. Okay. Now see, my dear students, what is happening over here? P plus 1 is Q. U minus 1 is T. Okay. Okay. B plus 2 is D. And L minus 2 is this. I plus 3 is JKL. C minus 3 is Z. I hope all of you are getting this. And you know what is the biggest mistake that you will be doing? You know what is the biggest mistake? This is the biggest mistake. That I didn't read the question carefully. I will go by this. And now what will happen? Now what will happen is this. Have a look at this. DGCLJB. I will mark DGCLJB. And let us see what will be the answer now. Let us see what will be the answer now. We are wrong. We are wrong. You know why? You know why? Just read the question. Read the line of the question. It is telling you in a certain code public is written as this, then change is written as what is not being asked. Change is the code for which word? Just the opposite. Just read the previous questions line. If you go through the previous questions line, just read it. In a certain code, system is coded as this, then the code for this is what? Simple question. Go to the question before this. What it is telling you? In a certain language, truth is written as this, then the code for this will be what? But here, just the opposite is being asked. Here, just the opposite is being asked. And that is why we need to be all the more careful. In a certain code, public is written as this, then change is written as what is not being asked. Change is written for what? Change is written for what? So just the reverse is to be done. So if just the reverse will be done, so what basically we have to try and do is, we have to just try and do the opposite. We have to try and just do the opposite. For example, now write in this manner, QTDJLZ, and then here public. Okay, -1 + 1, -2 + 2, -3 + 3, and so on. Okay, everyone. Now, change is written as what? Okay, -1 + 1, -2 + 2, -3 + 3, BIYPDH, and that is the right answer. All right, everyone, getting it? So that is a be careful, be more vigilant. Next question. Very simple, very, very simple. Quickly, everyone. Okay, now see, my dear students, what is happening? Opposites was taught GST, evening time, his GST opposites. So, boy, owl, famous movie for Amir Khan, PK. Okay, and therefore YLLP is the right answer, option number A. I hope all of you are getting this. Yes or no? Yes or no? And now the next thing. Quickly, hurry up. Quickly, everyone. Now see, my dear students, here, just divide it into two halves. It is written opposite AEL, it is written again opposite RED. So here also, my dear students, divide it into half. ERPMI, ERPMI, this is gone, ERPMI, and then NOISS, this is gone. This is the right answer. Option number C is the right answer. All right, everyone, getting it? Moving ahead. Next. Hurry up. Okay, now see, my dear students, if I go and check the positions of the letter, so you will observe something very unique over here. And what is the thing that you are going to observe? The difference over here. The difference over here is 13 in each case. Here 5, 1, 18, 20 and 8. The difference over here is 13 in each case. But now please observe one thing. Please observe one thing. Letters are from A to Z 1 to 26. Letters are from A to Z 1 to 26. In 19 I cannot add 13 because it will exceed 26. So we subtracted. In 20 we cannot add 13 because it will exceed 26. So we subtracted. But in 1 we cannot subtract 13. So we added. In 9 we cannot subtract 13. So added. In 18 we cannot add 13. It will exceed 26. So we subtracted. So we will see the feasibility over there. Now here we cannot subtract 13. So we added 18, which is the position of R. Here we will subtract. We cannot subtract. We will add 13, 14, position of A. Here we cannot add. So subtract 13. We will get 5, E. Okay. Here we cannot add. We will subtract 13, 7, G. Here we cannot add 13. We will subtract. Here we cannot subtract. We will add 13, 21, which is U. So R, A, E. Let me see. See, this is N. My dear students, this is N. 14 is the position of N. Okay, R, N, E, G, U. So R, N, E, G, U stands for option number A. All right. Getting it or not, everybody? Moving ahead. So I hope all of you are getting this or not. R, N, E, G, U. How and why? I hope all of you have got this. Moving ahead, my dear students. Solve this one. Okay, now see, my dear students, what is happening over here? Okay, fine. A, Z. Okay. See here, two things are happening. Here, two things are happening. A's opposite is Z. Jack and Queen, J's opposite is Q. Man, M's opposite is N. So here also, F's opposite is U. Flu. Okay. And then, my dear students, R's opposite is I. Indian Railways, and T's opposite is G, GST. So U then blank I then blank G. U and blank I is not there, but U blank I blank G, U blank I blank G is there. Fine, everyone? Fine. Next. Now here R's position 18 and E's position 5. The difference is 13. U's position 21, H's position 8. The difference is 13. I's position 9. But now here we cannot add 13. Here we cannot subtract 13. We will add 13. So we will be getting 22, which is the position of V. And here we cannot add 13. No, it will exceed 26. So we will subtract 13. It will be 6. Okay. And the position is F. UVIFG. UVIFG. Answer is option number C. So this is how we will be solving it. Okay. Next. Quickly, everyone. Now see, my dear students, what is happening? B plus 1 is C, A plus 2 is BC, S plus 3 is TUV, I plus 4 is JKLM, C plus 5 is DEFGH, N plus 1 is O plus 2 is PQ, I plus 3 is JKL, D plus 4 is EFGH, A plus 5 is BCDEF, OQLHF, OQLHF. Answer is option number A. Getting it? Yes or no? Moving ahead. Solve this one. Okay. See here, if you see the position of the letters, okay, majority of the questions of your category will be solved by seeing the positions of the letters. Okay. Now see, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and so on. So here also 9, 14, 10, 21, 18, and 25. Here -1 will be 24, -2 16, -3 18, -4 6, -5 9, and -6 3. So what is this? CIFRPX. CIFRPX. Okay, answer is option number B. Answer is option number B. All right, everyone. Okay, next. Again, one of the good questions. One of the good questions, my dear students. See, n's position is 14, I9, C3, 9, 18, 14. Multiplied by 1, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3. 2, 13, 3. Okay, multiplied by 1, multiplied by 2, and multiplied by 3. So now what will happen? My dear students, here it will be B only, here it will be Z only, here it will be I. So BZI, BZI. Answer is option number C, BZI. All right, everyone. Next. Quickly, now very easy, very easy. See, my dear students, what is happening? Observe the things. Sum is 9. Throughout the sum is 9, isn't it? So throughout the sum will be 9. So 9990. 9990. Answer is option number A, 9990. All right, everyone. Next. Quickly. Now this is verbal. 20-second maximum to understand and then tell the answer. Bat is a three-letter word. Bat is a three-letter word. And the square of that is 9. Take is a four-letter word. And the square of that is 16. Career is a six-letter word. And the square of that will be 36. All right, everyone? Clear? Fine. Next. Quickly, everyone. Number of letter is 2. And we have to multiply the number of letters by 3. So number of letters in the word multiplied by 3 is 6. Number of letters in the word multiplied by 3 is 9. Number of letters in the word 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Okay, answer is option number C, that is 12. Answer is option number C, that is 12. Okay. Next. Better question. Better question. Quickly. Complete 1 minute required to understand and then execute and tell the answer. Okay. Now have a look at this. Now have a look at this. Dimension is written as something. Okay. Dimension is written as something. See, dimension. D's position is 4. I's position is 9. Dimension. M's position is 13. Dimension E. So this is D, I, M, E, N, S position, I, O, okay, and then N. Dimension. Okay. So similarly, F's position will be 6. U's position will be 21. N's position 14. D's position 4. A's position 1. M 13. E 5. N 14. T 20. A 1. And L 12. So 12, 1, 20. 12, 1, 20, 14, 5. 12, 1, 20. 14, 5. 131414216. This is the correct answer. Option number D is the correct answer. All right, everyone. Fine. Now, next one. Quickly, hurry up. RAC. R's position is 18, A's position 1, C's position 3, and when you multiply them, you will be getting 54. Similarly, A's position 1, C3, E5, when you multiply them, you will be getting 15. Similarly, B2, A1, C3, and K11. It is 66. It is 66. Answer is option number B, 66. All right. Now, the next thing. Quickly. Okay. Now see, my dear students, have a look at this. What is happening? Park, P's position 16, A's position 1, R's position 18, K's position 11. Just add them. 16 plus 1, 17, 35, and yes, 46. Sum of the positions. Good. 7, O's position 15, and D's position 4. So if you add, it will be 41. It will be 41. And now cake, C3, A1, K11, E5. Okay? Fine. 20. 20 is the right answer. Cake C1A, C3A1, K11 and E5. If you add them, you will be getting 20. Okay? Now, moving ahead. Okay, quickly solve this. Hurry up. Now see, plus 0, plus 1, plus 2. Okay. Then this is as it is. It is as it is. Okay. Plus 0. This is minus 1. This is plus 1. Okay. What is going on basically? Okay. Not this. This is not going on. This is not going on. Something different is going on. And what is going on? See, this is a better one. See, the logic that is going on is the middle letter is as it is. B plus 1C, E plus 1F, A plus 1B. Plus 1, I plus 1J, N plus 1O, G plus 1H. Middle letter as it is. Plus 1, L plus 1M, C plus 1D. R plus 1S, A plus 1B. Okay. So, MDESB. MDESB. Okay. Fine. Getting it? Have I done something wrong? So, I found the code for this. Okay. Trail. We have to find the code of trail. Okay. So, trail. Middle letter as it is. So, R plus 1S, T plus 1U, L plus 1J, L plus 1M and I plus 1J. L plus 1M, and then, my dear students, getting it or not? Just hold on. Just hold on. Now, the moment we solve this, again the same thing. L plus 1M, I plus 1J. This is the right answer. This is the right answer, and therefore option C is the right one. Getting it, everyone? Aman Bajpai, very good, very good. Now, quickly, everyone. See, A, P, M, U. See, E, N, K, I, A, R, P, U. So, A, R, P, U. Answer is option number A. All right, everyone? Clear? Now the next one. Hurry up. Now, these are the direct coding, okay? Direct coding basically, guys, see. L is coded as 2 here, L is coded as 2 here, so L will be coded as 2 here also. Okay, further, E is coded as 9, E is coded as 9, so E is coded as 9. R will be now coded as direct coding 8. A will be coded as percentage. So 8, 9 percentage to 8, 9 percentage to option number C is the right answer. Option number C is the right answer. Next, quickly, hurry up. See what is going on over here. See, M minus 1 is L, A minus 1 is Z, R minus 1 Q, G minus 1 F, I minus 1 H, N minus 1 M. Okay, so M minus 1 L, O minus 1. Okay, what you will be getting? N, U minus 1 T, L minus 1 K, D minus 1 C, I minus 1 H, N minus 1 M, G minus 1 F. FMHC KTNL, FMHC KTNL, option number C is the right answer. Okay, option number C is the right answer. Again, very simple. Quickly go ahead. So who will teach in the class? Obviously the teacher. Who will teach in the class? Obviously the teacher. So answer was teacher, but teacher is coded as what? Teacher is coded as clerk, and therefore the right answer is clerk. Clerk. All right, everyone. The right answer is clerk. Answer is option number. Okay, see, I have discussed this. So now with this, we come to an end of the session. My dear students, I will request all of you, please be regular in the classes. Please join in good numbers. We have started a new initiative. Many of you often complain that your English is weak or it's not that good. So this is the right opportunity, right platform, right time. We are starting from the beginning. Please be a part of these sessions. My dear students, again I will tell you, the only person who is responsible for your success is you. The only person who can stop you from getting success is you. The answer to all your things lies within you. Thank you. Have a good